or a 10-minute walk up to the top of Katoomba Falls. I definitely recommend that one. When you're ready, the Skyway will bring you back into the main building, heading down into the valley using either the railway or the cableway. In the valley, we have an option of a 10, 30 and 50-minute boardwalk. Just be aware that there are no toilets down in the valley, so you will find everything here in the main building. Hopping out of the valley using either ride and then
Alright, don't be shy folks, there is a glass floor in the middle, I know you... Anything? There you go. You think it's good now? Wait till we're 270 metres from the valley floor in about a minute. Alright folks, let me tell you a few quick facts about this valley that we're suspended above here. This, my friends, is called the Jamison Valley. Alright, a very, very famous valley here in the Blue Mountains. These rock formations out the right-hand side window definitely contribute to that fame. We have the Three Sisters at the front right there, okay? If you've wondered what they are, you might have heard of them. It is those 3 pillars of sandstone that you folks can see at the front right. Now, if you stick around into the afternoon, you'll see them glow, alright? They start in a shadow, and as the day goes on, they get brighter and brighter, more golden and beautiful. As we get back, I don't want to repeat myself. Cool, awesome. Well, you know the story. There is a waterfall on the right. There's a valley on the left, and that glass floor is about to do a very special trick. About 3, 2, 1. Okay, there you go. Floor. It is 270 metres right about now, the highest point of the trip. If you imagine 2 Sydney harbour bridges stacked on.
You don't need to know, remember, you're in a World Heritage area, so do the right thing, folks. Put the rubbish in the bins or take it away with you. And remember, no smoking here. It should be obvious. Otherwise, folks, enjoy your adventures down here in the rainforest. If you did want to stay aboard the train, you can stay aboard, folks, but check to your right where we have people waiting. On the opposite side, you will need to exit those roads.
Also. It's 10 meters. 10 minutes. Walk.
10 minutes to the biggest
provider of energy on Earth for one reason. It's the cheapest. It's that simple. So this is anthracite where I'm standing. It's the best coal in the world. There's a lot of it in America. Europe burns a lot of brown coal, which is pretty bad. But essentially it's carbon. So when that gets buried...
There's a female somewhere. And so because there's a female somewhere, he's trying really, really hard. And for lyrebirds, a female is attracted to a male if they have a large vocabulary. He's trying to do a kookaburra now. And see the tip tip tip? That's his one. So he's trying really hard, but because he's so young and he's not singing very well, this is one bird.
There's an animal there.
Kookaburra?
Oh, people.
See he's trying?
No, that's people.
Right, so that's how you know he's too young. Because his songs are really crap.
Oh, yeah.
So the female won't be interested.
Oh,
so for a
female.
male lyrebird, you know how some birds, the bigger their feathers or the more beautiful they look or
Yeah.
the way they dance attracts the female?
Yeah.
For lyrebirds, it's how many songs he can produce and how well he can sing them. And the female will be like, you're good. But right now, the female, he's trying very hard. There must be a female somewhere here.
Yeah.
The female is like, nah,
You're not good enough.
you're not good enough, exactly. But because he's singing, it will attract other males to come.
Oh.
And so
Because those men will know that also lady.
Somebody's trying.
Yeah, somebody's trying.
there's a young boy trying and there must be a girl around. We'll go chase. So yellowtail black cockatoo. There was a whipbird. And that's shit humans. There he is, come here. Just across on this log, black.
Oh, yeah.
Young boy, and there's a female in front of him. There's two birds.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. So he's very young. He's trying really, really hard. Woodbird or bowerbird.
Oh.
You're so lucky, bro. It's actually working. You watch. He'll put his tail feathers over his head and start shaking it. Cockatoo, it's a lyrebird.
to an awesome boardwalk that is called the Prince Henry Cliff Walk. Bit of a stuffy name, but it is an awesome boardwalk. All right, to get to the waterfall cascades, for example, if you wanted to check that out.
Alrighty, good afternoon folks, welcome aboard the cableway, welcome back. Feel free to move around, any questions, you got myself.
If you look, you'll see.
I'll attract groups. How was that? Did you enjoy it? Very nice. So peaceful. Thanks very much.